You read it, and that's why you clicked on this video. It's a question that too many people don't know the answer to. And that question is, can you remove the limited originality of content violation from a Facebook page? Well, it involves many mysterious and complicated factors. So as a short response to that question, yes, it is possible. Thanks, Paul. I'll just go and magically hope it comes back then, shall I? Joker. Hang on, evil Paul. Steady your shoes. Hold your horses. I did say it's possible, but I didn't say it was easy. You see, one of the biggest problems in trying to answer this question is it's only to do with individual use cases. Every single Facebook page is assessed individually, based on individual content, and even if you think you're doing something totally original, you may not be in the eyes of Facebook. Now Facebook, I forgot, Meta as they are now called. I'm going to call them Facebook anyway for the rest of this video. I mean, seriously, which marketing team came up with that? That's just like me opening a restaurant and calling it food. It's generic and pretty crap, to be honest. That's just my opinion. Someone with Zuckerberg's trillions surely should be able to come up with a company name that doesn't sound like it came out of a Christmas cracker. Off track, dialing back in. Yes, Facebook have built themselves a bit of a reputation when it comes to their monetization rules and applications of them. Some pages get away with murder and they make millions, and others come up with something truly unique, fully owned, and get slapped with a big red X and a middle finger from the Facebook group. Seriously, did you just say that, Paul? You're getting banned, baby. Banned! Let me reiterate my stance to avoid any further confusion. I enjoy using Facebook to make money, as it has some amazing features to simplify uploading, scheduling videos, and tracking all of this amazing guff. And I'll continue to work with it until I can do so no more, because it is somewhat easier to use than other platforms like YouTube. But honestly, have they ever applied rules consistently? Ever? Not really. And it's unlikely to change. We've all contacted some helpful geezer or lady on support, and they've told us they can help, but then when you explain your monetization issue, they suddenly go all shy and close your case without permission. Seriously, that's like hitting the McDonald's drive-thru, paying for your Big Mac meal, and then getting the window slammed shut on your big fat face. It's eternally frustrating, and probably is for you too. But what can you do about it? You need help, right? But Facebook seem to have redacted the telephone numbers and email addresses from the monetization team, who we know exist, so stop trying to hide it, Facebook. Seriously, if your systems are automated, then they are seriously crap at applying the rules correctly. I have this vision of monkeys playing with chemicals and seeing what creates the best reactions. Well, all we can do really is to try and interpret their rules for monetization and start to make a few changes to give ourselves a chance. Now, forewarning, I don't work for Facebook, never have done. Don't know anyone that works there, and don't have any inside information out of what is in the public domain and from my own personal experience. So take everything I say on face value, apply it as you see fit, and good luck with the outcomes. First things first, let's make it clear for everyone. There is no one size fits all here. There's no standard rule. Unfortunately, it's about as scientific as an angry mob of big screen TV deal seekers at your local Walmart on Black Friday. You know the type. They see the pound signs and go for broke, with no care for their future financial endeavours. The trouble is that attitude doesn't work anymore on Facebook. We've all tried it, ripping off content to make a quick buck. It worked in 2018, but in 2022, it's the fastest way to lose your page, and probably lose it for more than a year in some cases. So something to think about is how you can make something truly original. And when I mean original, I mean that you've added value to it, created a unique proposition. And just for reference, a compilation of 68 cat and dog clips watching them shit themselves down the local playground slide does not constitute an original idea. It's super hilarious, but it ain't original. It's probably the furthest thing from being original. Think about it. You just took some videos, whether they're your own or not, and you stitched them together, back to back, and tried to make it longer than 3 minutes so you could monetize it. And then you labeled it with some clickbait crap like, "These cats and dogs are so cute." Seriously, this rubbish just doesn't work anymore, and I wouldn't bank your life savings on making much out of it. You'd probably make more money selling individual French fries from your bedroom window. So the key here is to start thinking about your video ideas. For example, if you had a film, TV or movie page, then maybe you do videos breaking down scenes or discussing open endings and theories to some of the cleverly scripted TV shows out there today. Maybe you rant about something, just like I am, and turn yourself into the next angry kid and monetize that. Why? Because it's entertaining. It's original. And if you're doing that and your audience like what you're doing, then you've found a massive focus area where you can just make videos for fun, and you don't need super complex editing, ideas or anything else, and you don't need to rip off anyone else's video. Just you, a camera and some good old-fashioned negativity. So start to think about other types of video ideas, as it's an interesting space and ultimately where you need to begin your new journey. Now there are so many ideas that exist that can easily be monetized, but another challenge you may have is your audience. For those who have neglected this in the past, this could be quite a sticking point for you. Essentially, your audience are your followers, the people who watch your page and videos. Now here's a newsflash, and brace yourselves for this one. If you don't put out videos that match your audience, you will get bugger all views. Literally not. Let me take you through an example. My name is Stephen, and I'm a calm and relaxed kind of guy. I love watching videos about gardening tips and how I can remove those devilish weeds from my beautiful garden path. So in this case, we know what Stephen wants to see. But if Stephen sees the videos that Jason wants to watch, well, Stephen is going to be a bit upset. So let's meet Jason. Yo, I'm Jason. I support Birmingham City Football Club and all I care about is birds, boobs and beer. So get 'em out and let's get lashed. So the predicament here is that Stephen loves flowers and Jason loves most things that are drink related. But will Jason really want to learn how to use a trowel on his low maintenance concrete driveway? And will Stephen really want to know the size of Katie Price's breasts this week? It's a clear mismatch, and you should know not to cross-pollinate content across incorrect audiences because it will just tank your videos, and for good reason. Hopefully that was clear. Stephen and Jason are made up characters, but I'm happy to develop them further if interested, so let me know in the comments down below. So anyway, what was the point of that little charade? Match your content to your audience to get views and make good, engaging content for your audience. Sounds simple though, right? Well, it is and it isn't. In fact, making any video can be complex, particularly editing and releasing them. So if you're looking for your video to be original, which is what Facebook limited originality is really all about, then this is what you may need to do. Add some value to your audience, give them a good original experience, play it on emotion, make them want to follow your page or come back for more. And if you can't get that to work, then you clearly don't have an audience for what you want to get out of them. So what did we learn today? Well, apart from the Facebook monetization team being a bunch of monkey dancing, chemical crunching bar stewards, we learned that in order to possibly keep your page from losing monetization status, or maybe even get it back if you lost it previously, you're going to have to change the way you think about doing your videos. Think audience first. Think about their user personas and what they would want to watch, and then customize to them specifically. Don't forget to stay within topic areas that you feel you can confidently cover. Otherwise, you're on a hiding to nothing and will be simply wasting your time. Now, I want to hear what pisses you off about Facebook monetization and some of your experiences. It'll give me some more inspiration and I'll do my best to help you feel better about it. So drop me a comment below and let me know about some of the situations you've got yourself into. I would love to know how you found the whole platform. And if you didn't give the video a thumbs up yet, then now is just fine. Cheers! Don't forget to subscribe as I make content like this all the time and I'm looking to help as many people as I can to crack the Facebook conundrum. I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be safe and have an amazing day, doing whatever you love to do the most.